Hello friends, today we are going to learn the muscles of medial thigh. So muscles of medial thigh. There are basically 5 muscles, and to learn this muscle there is one mnemonic which is go al Alabama. So see here G stands for Gracilis muscle. O for Obturator, externes. AL stands for Adductor Longus. AB stands for Adductor Brevis, and AMS stands for Adductor Magnus. So the first muscle here we'll study, which is Adductor Longus. The origin of this muscle is superior aspect of pubis, below the pubic tubercle, and insertion is where on the linea aspera. Middle third of the linea aspera. The root value of this muscle innervation is L2, L3, L4, anterior part obturator now. Okay, this is the muscle Adductor Longus, and here you can see that it is attached to the linea aspera of the femur, and also this running from anterior part of the pubis. This is where the origin is, and this is the insertion on linea aspera of femur. Okay, the second muscle we are going to learn, which is Adductor Brevis. Before going to Adductor Brevis, here the Adductor Longus muscle, which is the fan-shaped muscle, and it is most anteriorly placed in adductor group. The next muscle here we are going to study is Adductor Brevis. Origin of this muscle is anterior body of pubis, inferior to pubic ramus, and insertion again on superior part of linea aspera. Here on this muscle, the obturator nerve splits into anterior and posterior division. This muscle is important landmark for the study in dissections on cadaver. This is the muscle, and it is not a long muscle, it is short muscle, attached on the superior part of the linea aspera of the femur. The next muscle here we are going to study is Adductor Magnus. It is the largest muscle in adductor group, as well the strongest muscle. This muscle have two parts or two divisions. See, the two division, this is the hamstring division, hamstring, and this is the adductor division or adductor part. Okay, the adductor part inserted superiorly from the hamstring part, and hamstring part is inserted on the distal part of the femur. The next muscle here we are going to study, the fourth one, is the Gracilis muscle. This importance of this muscle is synergist muscle, and used for transplantation. Its function is to flex the hip joint as well as knee joint. This is the most medial muscle in adductor part or adductor group, and this muscle with two more muscles, sartorius plus semitendinous plus gracilis, forms the pes anserius. Which is also called the goose foot. Okay. This is the only muscle which crosses hip joint here and knee joint. The next muscle which we are going to see, which is the fifth muscle, Obturator externes, and its shortest muscle and most superficially placed muscle in adductor group. Thank you.